Well, happy lunchtime, everyone. It's Candace here, and I'm just going to show you how I make our sweet banana bread with a little variation from head office from the putting in the chocolate chips and peanut butter, which of course, who would not think of that, right? That's pretty awesome, since pretty much I love peanut butter and chocolate, and to be able to put them in a yummy banana bread is pretty cool. All right, so I'm just putting in a couple of bananas and eggs. You don't have to use eggs. You can use chia paste, you can use applesauce, whatever you use in, oops, and don't put the eggshells in there. Whatever you use instead. And I'm just gonna smush them up and then add in the dry ingredients, right? So, how is everybody's lunchtime going? What do you guys got on your plate for lunch? I'm using leftovers from last night's dinner to make tacos, basically. Something simple, something quick, and just using leftovers and that which we had made last night. So that is what we're doing. All right, so smushed up. And of course, it also wants you to add in some fat. So you can use, I really didn't do well with the eggshells this time. Olive oil, you could use butter, you could use whatever you like. So actually, let me just remind myself, quarter cup. Just using our perfect petite bowls, perfect prep bowls. Mixing that up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some peanut butter and then the rest of the dry ingredients. So you can add in whatever amount of peanut butter you like. I'm using crunchy and probably about a half a cup. I'd show you, but it's not exactly the prettiest. And then the sweet banana bread. And this is pretty cool because it's actually gluten-free, so it's made with rice flour, organic cane sugar, cornstarch, tapioca starch, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, sea salt. That's what's in here, and then you add whatever wet ingredients that you like. So bananas, if you didn't want bananas, you could probably put any other fruit you might like. You could not put in it if you guess. You could put applesauce. You could do 2 eggs and oil is what it says, but you could do it however you like. Okay, stop using a fork. And just mix it in. And then I'm gonna add a bit of chocolate chips. I made it like this earlier, a couple weeks ago when we first got this, and I put a few too many chocolate chips in. So this time, I'm gonna do a little bit less. Okay. There we go. Batter with the bananas and chocolate chips, and I'm going to use already oiled our mini loaf pan and our cool quarter sheet to hold it all together, and then throw it in the oven. Now, you could use the microwave. There is a microwave version of this. This little mini loaf will go into the microwave. Admittedly, these little lovely mini loaves were sold out pretty quickly when they first came in January, and then sold out again. And the plan is that will be back in April, which is just around the corner. So let's hope that they come back, because they are pretty cool and well liked by everybody. Okay, there we are. I'm gonna just throw this into the oven, and in about 20 minutes or so, we'll have cute little mini banana breads. I do it like this because I can freeze like 3 of them and just have one out so that we don't eat them all at once. And there we go. So have a beautiful lunch hour. Hope your lunch is delicious, and enjoy.